Ready for 30 emoji puzzles? You only get 6 seconds. Let's begin. What's this word? Easy one, snowman. Can you guess it? That's a pineapple. This one looks easy. Nice! It's fishbowl. Let's see if you know this one. Got it! Earrings! Brain boost! Use the first letter of every emoji. Can you build the secret word? You found it! Rainbow. What's this word? Peanut butter. Can you crack this emoji? Beep beep, it's fire alarm. Let's see if you know this one. So pretty, moonflower. Can you guess it? Good job. Eyeball. This one looks easy. Yummy! Cheeseburger! What's this word? Sweet answer, blackberry. Memory challenge. Remember every basket. Where was the carrot? You remembered. Basket number 5. Can you guess it? That's an iPhone. Let's see if you know this one. Delicious, mango. This one looks easy. So refreshing, strawberry shake. Can you guess it? Blast off, rocket. Let's see if you know this one. Future ride, electric car. Bonus challenge. Which car would you choose? The futuristic electric car or the super sports car? Team Electric, hit like! Team Sports, subscribe. What's this word? Morning read, newspaper. Let's see if you know this one. Great thinking! Flash drive! This one looks easy! Swimming answer! Jellyfish! What's this word? Dry those hands! Hand towel! Can you guess it? Looks tasty! Lemon cake! Bonus challenge! Only count the lemons! There were 7 lemons. Did you count them all? Let's see if you know this one. Tiny but useful toothpick. This one looks easy. So fast! Bullet train! What's this word? Champion answer, World Cup. Last brain challenge. Which balls belong in the empty boxes? Pattern complete. Every ball appears 4 times. This one looks easy. Wireless winner, Bluetooth. Let's see if you know this one. You saved the biggest one, Superstar! Congratulations! You completed all 30 challenges. You are officially an Emoji King. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next quiz adventure.